And that brings us to technique number 4, one that might be a bit harder for some folks to embrace.
All right, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me. What's this challenging technique?
It's all about resisting the urge to multitask.
Wait, no more juggling 5 things at once. But isn't that how we get more done?
That's what we've been led to believe. But the research tells a different story. Our brains are simply not designed to effectively handle multiple complex tasks simultaneously.
So all those times I've had a conference call, while trying to answer emails and write a report,
Yeah.
I was actually doing all of those things poorly.
Most likely, yes. What happens is that we end up rapidly switching between tasks, which leads to errors, omissions, and a decrease in the overall quality of our work.
It's like trying to be in several places at once. You can't give your full attention to any of them.
And on top of that, research shows that multitasking actually increases stress levels and reduces our overall cognitive capacity. So not only are we not as effective, but we're also more stressed out in the process.
Okay, that's a pretty compelling argument against multitasking.